Oh, hello. Oh, wait, I need to put the banner on, huh? Ay, 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 ay. And I can see we FOMO'd a little bit on ETH tonight. Ooh, no, this was a nice dip. That sucks. I don't think I'm gonna jump in now, but I should have looked at this because this was a nice area to buy for Yup. But I'm just gonna wait for ETH. I think to be honest, actually I should add a little bit, I think. Because we do have, I mean, actually this should hold roughly. And market opened, let me see. I hope we just fucking blow off top here at 6K and Bitcoin rallies to like 80. That would be nice. I'm adding a little bit ETH here now. The thing why I just FOMO'd ETH on this daily close, I mean, I expected that this could bottom week, but on the daily, to be honest, this looks really good, and on the weekly as well, and on the 3-day. And there is a lot of room to the top side, right? Like at least here and here. There's like 20% room to the upside if this breaks out properly. So I just entered the daily close. I'm up quite a bunch on this account, 25% roughly. Yeah, just hop back in. I mean, overall market looking pretty good. Oh, we will see. Cloud? What cloud? You mean the indicator? I don't know what you mean by cloud, but what I don't want to see is even if this daily goes down more, right? I don't really want to see it break in half of this candle. I think it should stay very bullish. Like if it retraces a little bit, like it should go straight up again. We just see sideways action today. If we go too low, I'm gonna get really uncomfy. I really want to see like a big squeeze right now and up only basically, and yeah, not a lot of room for re-entries and basically squeezing out all the shorts. And so far it's looking good, right? So far this is exactly the kind of structure that I want to see, like basically just up only since the low. And I hope it just continues for the next 20%, and then I'm happy and I'm getting out. Man, I need to rearrange my setup. It's not what it used to look like. Kinda want a long TR. Well, so much upside. Could long a little bit. Bob, Bob. Buy a little bit of TIA here. I really like this bottoming structure. On the daily, especially 3-day. Yeah. Ooh, yeah. I mean, this was a nasty rejection, though. I don't want to see this happening again. It'd be really bad. Ooh. To prepare your bull breakout trade. We will see. Let's hope. I mean, it could, like, this is a really big wick, right? It could just go here and reject really hard. I do think, by the way, like, if we go down again today, and if I hit break even here on Bitcoin, I might just smash out of my positions and take the L. Because I feel like it's probably not worth it holding then, and then just wait out and see if we get some kind of sweep here, and I would get back in here. And then I want to see a quick recovery if it comes to that. But yeah, so far so good. So far up only. The flows are also really good if you look at far side. This is pretty fucking good, huh? 555. Holy shit. Ah yeah, we need to continuation of this inflow trend. What wig? What? I think he meant my drawing. I was just drawing what I think could happen and where I want to rebuy. Oh, you mean that wick? There was a clean rejection here from 67 from above that top, but I mean that was to be expected on this first run up. But yeah, now I want to just see clean follow through and a very nice clean, very nice clean daily candle. Ideally same size, so we get some nice momentum. Like another 5% daily would be nice. Hit this high. Holy shit, butt corn. Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong. Yeah, this is really looking like bull market right now. Good feeling. We are buying gold here. I mean, we could. Hello, Kroniki. I'm long on Euro for the 15th time, and I already lost a bunch trying to find the bottom, but yeah, whatever. It wasn't the brightest idea. I should have waited a bit. But I think this might actually be the bottom now. Looking pretty good for it. Gold could also be a good buy, but should have bought the dip today. But it's not the worst spot. Definitely not the worst spot. And looking for 1% move up, roughly. All right, I'm buying too. What? But I'm only scalping. I'm not looking for a home run here on gold. Holy shit. Should have really waited with ETH entering, right? not FOMO the daily close. It made a nice bottom wick here. Exactly here, which is nice. Should have waited for this. Yeah. But I just hope we break this high now, at least ready here. I think I'm gonna take some off at this high. How much exposure do I have? Like 2. You liquidated already? Xanthus just wrote me that CK liquidated. Oh no, it's not liquidated yet. Liquidated 69. Oh wait, 69. 69. Here. So Crypto King is gonna get liquidated at this line. Let's see if we can hit it. Show Venus maybe tomorrow. Yeah, Crypto King and SAT are always great counter indicators, yeah. I really don't know how they are doing it. They always get the market so wrong. It's kind of crazy. So this would be let me see. We pumped 10% roughly, right? Bitcoin is still like roughly 40% undervalued. I think closing at 90k would be perfect. If we do like a real nice breakout, get some real nice volume and then good daily candles, I think closing at around 90k is probably optimal. But first I want to see a daily close above here. A strong daily close, like no fucking wick back below or some shit, right? A really strong daily close above here, and then I think it's just gonna rally a little bit. Yeah, all-time high FOMO is definitely gonna kick in. Whoa, what the fuck did I do? Oh, I switched to Ethereum. But yeah, this is already really nice that we're breaking above this. RSI is also in a good spot. I mean, everything's looking fine so far. But yeah, this is gonna be the real troublemaker here. I think this is high. Ay, ay, ay. I checked them on daily start. Man, that's actually like to be honest, it sounds like a meme, right? They end 334, but they are losing. They are constantly losing, right? I think they're probably like 80% wrong with their trades. So it actually makes sense to check these kind of people for counter indication. It makes a lot of sense. They're just so bad at trading and they constantly lose that you definitely want to be, or most of the time you want to be on the opposite side. Yep, definitely. I prepared my bull market breakout trade. Yeah, let's hope we get proper pomp. I mean, my ETH entry really sucks. As I said, I just entered on this daily close tonight. I could have just put orders, to be honest, and for a little dip, but I thought, daily close is fine. This is the first good daily close, and this looks great. So, yeah. But yeah, having some high hopes here for ETH. It actually looks like it really looks like it wants back up here, right? This could be a really nice. I think I'm gonna close fully here, maybe on ETH. But yeah, first we need to get more pamp. But this finally, I mean, finally, like from this low, this finally feels like bull market, right? This finally feels like what it should have felt like for the last couple of weeks that we had this up only on SPX and NQ. It was really crazy that Bitcoin sold off here again. I'm also long on euro, by the way, from the low here. I really hope that we will at least sweep this high and maybe this high. Would be nice. Filling around here in the gap. Gold is trolling me. The problem is that the yields are going up, right? Oh. This is sucking liquidity from dollar. This needs to come down. But yeah, it might not at all. Did it jump today? What do you mean by jump? Like work, like real work? No, I was working yesterday. Who the fuck is buying right now? Who cares? Holy shit. Nice candle. Yes, Mocket, exit scam pump to 100k. No, I don't know how high we go, to be honest, but as I said, I would rather watch closely on the daily right now because I mean we just started to get some momentum from here, right? If there is no momentum fade on the daily, there is no reason to not keep longing, in my opinion. Like you can close positions, right? But I think you should not really look for shorts right now. I think the only reasonable spot at the moment for me at least, if you look on the higher time frame and how this formed and how the stock market is ripping still, I think the only reasonable short would be a break of all-time high and then like a deviation back below on a daily on a big red daily candle. I think at the moment there's just not good enough reasons for shorting. And if the stock market completely crashes, but so far nothing happening. Up only. I mean, actually some sideways today, but yeah. The problem is Bitcoin is so decorrelated, and I've been wrong with this a lot of the time. So even if the stock market comes down, I don't really think I should pussy out too much, right, of Bitcoin. because it's just not really correlating too much at the moment, and it's also lagged behind a couple of weeks now. I mean, not couple of weeks, but like 2-3 weeks, right? I mean, this whole price action here was completely annoying, complete manipulation, like this double sweep. And you know what the worst thing is? I did long the sweep here down below. I was even on stream, you guys remember, right? Like I was short here, and I fully closed and I flipped long. Maybe I flipped long off stream, but I closed for a scalp. I was like 10k long, and I closed for $100. And then I never got back in. I was busy all day, and I tried to buy a dip. Like I wanted to see this, and I tried to buy a dip here, but it never dipped. It just squeezed through. And then I only re-entered with a 10k position around here on this retest. I even added. I think I added. Yeah, it was on the weekend. I entered here and I added here. It was still fine, but yeah, it's a bit annoying because I could have had an entry here, which would obviously look great, right? 13% move, but what can you do about it? I can't believe the stream is so active. Holy shit! How many viewers do we have? See, actually putting a schedule in was a good idea, huh? I mean, not that I made the schedule, because to be honest, I kind of forgot today, and then I just hopped on when I realized, oh fuck, I wanted to stream. FDM flippening here. Private chat, yeah. I'm really annoyed though that I fucked up my account for the competition, because I was depositing 1.5k and I forgot to make a sub account. So my PNL now is only 61% when it should be like over 200. I think I would be in the top 10 or something. Yeah. If I deposited 1.5k, I should have at least made it 2k to get into the heavyweight category, right? No, the middleweight category, and then I would have way more points. And now I'm sitting here, like I basically handicapped myself. I completely handicapped myself. It's a bit of a shame. And also, I don't know why this is still not showing my username. No, it's not working afterwards, Toon. It's not working anymore. Won't be possible. Right? It's also, I'm in category lightweight now, even though my account is over 2k. I mean, if this would adjust, it should be adjusting now, but it's not possible. What I could do probably is I could probably drop out with this account of the competition and reset my PNL. That's possible, I think. You can re-enter, right? So what I could do is I could reset my PNL, Royal Reset card, and then I could do a new account with 500, which would probably still be better. Right? Because I mean, I'm super handicapped right now with the PNL. But on the other hand, it doesn't really matter anyways. Right now, like, what place are we in? Squad over ranking 22. Like, I haven't looked at the squads. I think it's here, right? Are these the squads? I think so. Yeah. Squad score. We have 18. So what does the top 10 have? 24, 20, 30, 47. I think it's also a bit of a shame. Like, I really dislike the whole system that they made. The only reason I'm joining Vasad is because I wanted to stream again and I think it's interesting. But I think this competition is complete shit, anyways. Right? Like with the like changing between heavyweight and lightweight and all that shit, just to basically categorize traders into poor and rich, right? And giving the rich people like more score when they make P&L. That's a completely shitty way to make a competition. It should be about the trading and the trading only, and not about how much money you have. And I think it's complete garbage. Yep, it's pay to win, exactly. I think, to be honest, I think this rebuy, this Roy reset, this is kind of fine. Um, to re-enter, it's like a rebuy tournament, basically, right? This is fine, but I think the starting conditions should be the same for everyone, like $500 and go, right, or 300 or whatever. I mean, it used to be very low. It used to be 300 on Bybit, and now they're propping this shit up just to make more volume. I mean, it's just obviously completely greedy. They will make way more money doing this competition, way more money from doing this competition than what they are giving out to people, right? This is a fucking joke. 144k. This is probably what they rake from the competitors alone in a day. Oh, my gold trade is pumping. The judo is in Salsa's group. I know the judo. Yeah, of course she is. And of course they have a very high squad score because there's probably 300 members. Yeah. So where's Jadudu? Let me see. Where is she? This Korea #1. uh, this has more. Salsa's group has even more members. Interesting. %600 P&L. Very nice. Strong Sims pumping her. Yeah. So I almost hit my TP on gold. Where's my what? Where did my trading view go? Doop de doop de doo. My TP is here. My entry sucks. I basically entered on. Where did I even enter? I think on the 5. Oh, I don't even. Time frame is this 15. I think this looks different. Oh, actually, I entered here on this candle. And then it came back down, back up. I think I could hold this, but I don't really want to. Whatever, I just want to scalp gold. But it's very likely that it comes at least up here today. Maybe even here. It's definitely looking good on the hourly. It looks like this was the low. Was the deviation below. Come back down, come back up. And test the high again. Whatever. I'm just gonna take the likely exit here. And I'm gonna be stubborn with my euro trade. I really fucking hell, it already looks so shit again. Like I have an entry here and I have an entry like around here. And I do have the feeling I'm gonna get swept again because it's not gonna hold. It's just fucking down only and it's so choppy and it's just not reversing. It's so annoying. I mean, ideally, I think what everyone is waiting for is this gap here, right? Completely around here, maybe, or around here. This would be a really nice entry. Sweeping this low. But I'm thinking, I think it's worth a try here because we are down from the top. This was 2.6%. And usually euro dollar is not going that low without correction back up. There is barely any spot where you see historically, we see bigger moves down without retracement. But what I was thinking is, okay, it makes no sense that euro is dropping down so low without retracement because, I mean, yeah, there's talks about Fed not cutting, but they're going to cut anyways and stuff like that. But I think the major issue is what I was not really aware of and what I should have looked at more is the treasuries. They're going up because people are basically expecting that inflation is going to go back up. So the yields are going up and the rates are also going up, which is counterintuitive because the Fed is cutting rates, right? The Fed is cutting the federal funds rate, but in reality, what you see is that rates are still going up on a lot of different things. NQ looks like me after a party day. Is it dumping now? I mean, dumping, it's dipping. Yep. But I mean, that was to be expected. There would be a retrace. What I might take a if we come below here, I need to look at some of the bigger stocks as well where we add. But sweep below here would be a nice scalp, something like this from here to here. I would take. I don't really want to take shorts yet, even though it's tempting to take a little short, but. Oh, I hit my TP on gold, huh? Yep. Holy shit, gold. It smashed my TP. Are you still in, Kuniki? Yeah, I would probably close here now. If I was still in, I would probably close here. Good level. If it comes back down below my entry, I might even consider re-entering. Oh yeah, I'm still in this massive euro position. So I'm fine with exposure anyways. But yeah, it has not been good to me. Trading Forex has been kind of meh. I lost a bunch of money doing that. And gold is always easy to trade. Always so easy to trade. I think I have like over the last couple of weeks, I have like an 70 to 80% win rate on gold. Just, yeah, I should probably completely stick to gold. It's just the best asset to trade, in my opinion. I mean, SPX and NQ can be okay, but it's an index. It's still really tough. It's very tough to mark out exact levels because it's just a bunch of stocks, right? All right, Nvidia is dumping. So actually, this is a good level to. Wait, is there any news? Wait, let me see. Blah blah blah. Oh, is this the news? Oh, this is probably the news, huh? Wait, what's the latest here? More news. Oh, dude. Nvidia stock here, blah 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 blah. The Biden administration is weighing export limits on Nvidia advanced AI chips over national security issues. Is this the news? Possible, huh? So yeah, Nvidia is taking a fucking shit. yeah, I still want to see. Man, I really want to buy. If Nvidia hits all-time highs, does anyone have a good broker to buy puts? I want to buy Nvidia puts for next year, long-term puts, at least a couple hundred of dollars, so I have short exposure on Nvidia. But I need it to be long dated, like next half year or something, and then let's spread it out. Do you have a broker for that, Peppy? Yeah, you should check. No, my Ethereum is getting tapped on. I I really want to take a long. I'm gonna put some orders. I'm gonna put some orders below here. I think that's fine, like in this area. But it might not come this low. I don't think. I mean, Nvidia just dropped. Look at this drop. This is just a news-based drop. I don't think it's gonna last that long. Yeah, this is the China ban news. Uh, I highly doubt this is gonna last long. This gap would be nice, 128, and I think it's just gonna come back up then. Okay. It might even be better to just long SPX because SPX is more solid at the moment. Like more different stocks are getting bought up, which is in general a healthy market, a more healthy market situation, anyways, right? That the SPX is leading and not the NQ. But yeah, so if NQ comes down another 0.3%, roughly 0.4%, I'm buying. I'm buying and then looking for all-time high. I don't think there's anything to short here at the moment. Looking pretty solid, even with this NQ dip. Oh yeah, as I said, like below this low around here and a little bit lower, I will become a buyer. But to be fair, this is already a good level to buy Nvidia, right? So if this is a good level to buy Nvidia, it's obviously a good level to buy NQ. So I would really not mind punting along here, but it's fine. I have enough exposure at the moment. But yeah, if we drop another, if we drop here, I'm definitely buying. Oh, got filled a little bit. Doop 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 doo. Yeah, a little bit lower would be nice. Just a little bit. Be my little bitch. Fill me! No! Stop bouncing! Got 2 fills. Can I get a little bit more? What is going to 0? SPX? It's like a pretty normal retracement overall. Uptrend is still fully intact. What's Nvidia at? They're going a bit lower. Yeah, NQ might come a bit lower as well. Give. I don't know, Fappy, why you are so hell bent on SPX dropping when that also means that your ETH position is gonna get fucked. Not sure why you are rooting so hard. All right, Nvidia. It's probably gonna fill the gap, huh? Full Burj Khalifa, yeah. Yeah, I mean it's a fucking Nvidia FUD, obviously. I mean, price action is fine, isn't it? I need a healthy bounce now. Jesus fucking Christ. Ain't looking too hard. Panic setting in. China banning Nvidia and Bitcoin. Wait, how are other stocks looking? Time to bounce. Apple, looking fine. Microsoft dumped as well. Kind of. It's actually only Nvidia. Literally only Nvidia. What comes down to? Okay. This is exactly the kind of 4 hour that I did not want to see, but I mean, this is news driven, so we will see. I'm not gonna panic yet because it's whatever. It's just this is a news event, right? Um, yeah. All right, we bounced nicely where we should bounce, and now I want to see a Giga Chat candle back up. Yeah, it makes no sense, of course. It's a call because of this. Yeah, it makes no sense. It's algos, stock market algos that are somehow again working fine. Used to not work at all. Panic, panic. I feel like buying more gold. Liquidation email incoming. No. Now we're having fun. Let me see. We're getting fucked. Nah. Oh, we did the thing that I wanted to see, actually. Retest. Interesting. I just want to. I kind of want to long again on gold. Do a small continuation long. Right, gold. Bit higher. Might already close. And closed. Oh, yeah, it could still run. It's looking pretty fucking good, man. Hey, what was your TP, Koniki? Previous day high. What was previous day high? Let me see. I don't even know. Ah, here. Okay, yeah. Yep. Oh, you're also out. Okay. Did you prepare your bear breakdown trade? I would not try to. I think you're gonna get forked, but we will see. October finally, yeah. Burj Khalifa. I would like a short scalp here on gold. If it's so if this closes bullish and then we see a flip, I think it's a fine short. Or whatever, I could also just chill and wait for this to come back up and fill my orders. Kind of a shame that I didn't have. Yeah, my average entry is kind of shit now. It's around here actually. Actually, I'm still red. I added too many positions too early, which is it's actually kind of stupid because I even told you guys where I was looking too long, right? On Nvidia, I should have just waited for Nvidia to hit that level and then long. It was actually, it made no fucking sense. It perfectly hit that gap. It made no fucking sense for me to long so early. Yeah. Whatever. I'm looking for basically this breakdown point, and then I'm out. It comes back up here. And I'm out in profit, and then I'm gonna just chill on my crypto stuff. Let's feel the liquidation email creeping up. Man, chill out. This was just a news event. Chill. This is still fine. And I'm not even tripping. Usually I would be tripping here, but I'm not at all. Not at all tripping. It's still looking completely fine here. This is also still looking completely fine on the daily. Like even if it just comes back down here, right? I mean, I said I don't want this to break half this candle. Already be a bit ugly, but considering this news event, like a bit of a retrace is definitely fine. Yeah, but you have to. I mean, this is up. You really gotta chill, man. Look at this. I mean, we had a downside candle here too, right? This is looking. How is this not looking bullish right now? This would be perfectly fine if it just. I mean, even if it comes lower, it should just not break this low. I think that would be shit. But yeah, but this is perfectly fine uptrend. And it is to be expected that there's a lot of downside volatility on this kind of news. So I think you should really not be tripping at all. It was basically just Nvidia nuking the markets. And as I said, like this is a 7% Nvidia nuke. How is this not getting gobbled up when overall the market is kind of fine still? I mean, there's gonna be more bearish news now than you should be worried, but I would not be surprised if Nvidia does this and comes all the way back up here till the end of the day. Would not be surprised. I'm buying some Nvidia at 20 next year. Ay. Not sure about that, Fappy. The only thing I'm a little pissed about is that I could have taken profits here and get back in now. But I cannot foresee this kind of bullshit. The news are funny here, right? Is October finally here? Like 1 hour ago, and then it dumps. Like, this is also kind of a nice counter indicator. If you read these news on TradingView, it's always so fucking wrong. Every fucking time. No, you couldn't have seen this because it was completely news driven. I don't know what you could have seen there. Complete bullshit. I mean, if you put your tinfoil hat on, you could argue, okay, it hit the level the market makers or whoever wanted to hit, and then they released the news, right? Like an inside job or whatever. Yeah, maybe. We will never know. But this would not have happened. I mean, okay, maybe this would have happened at some point anyways, like up here, right? Because people are fucking over leveraged longing here. But it would have not have happened this hardcore in this way if the stock market didn't do this and if Nvidia didn't do this. And as I said, I think maybe it makes a double bottom here. Maybe sweeps this low one more time. But I highly doubt this is going way lower. I think it's a bit of a FUD news. I also don't think that they're gonna the government is not gonna do this kind of stuff pre-election. Yeah, they were saying something about Nvidia. What was it? Here. The Biden administration is weighing export limits on Nvidia advanced AI chips over national security issues. This is basically the whole drop. So, yeah. I think it's a fucking nothing burger. Doesn't mean we cannot retrace on Bitcoin. We definitely can. But I think it's not gonna have the insane impact on the market that everything is just gonna giga dump now. I think we will retrace back up here till the end of the day, and Nvidia will also retrace back up. It's just not, in my opinion, it's just not the right time or timing for the market to dump. It makes no sense pre-election. So I'm not really worried about it at all. I think if anything, this here, right, this gap fill is a buying opportunity. If you want to buy some Nvidia stock till end of year still, this is definitely a buying opportunity. I mean, same with Intel, basically. It's pretty nice, though, because I did close my Intel. I closed here in this 4% move. I think it's a fairly nice re-entry. I already closed this here. I mean, it would be not good if Bitcoin now, like if Nvidia bounces now and the stock market bounces and Bitcoin stays this way. It should give a strong bounce soon, right? And come at least back up here and then chill for a bit and then drive higher. Maybe something like this would be nice, right? And then do whatever. If the daily closes, I'm gonna reconsider. If the daily closes, actually, if the daily closes bearish, it's still fine if the daily closes bearish. But the next daily, I think that the whole week, I'm not too worried until the whole week looks shit. But ideally, the week will look like this. This will be the bottom week, and then we will see this kind of weekly candle. Otherwise, I think going flat is definitely an option. But this is weekly cannot break out here, then I would be worried. Jesus, ETH is getting fucking hammered. We could have had nice things. Could have just had nice things. $2.4. From here? Particular jump. It's over. But yeah, I do agree. 64.8. So this should just end up being a wick, in my opinion. This should be end up being a false breakdown and reject big to the upside. Otherwise, gonna be some trouble. October, yeah. Concerned about this fiat trade. Jesus. I want a long again here. Gold. Yeah, I long gold again here. This is my trade. Jeez. That's it. I think this is also, to be honest, this is probably a very, very nice trade here. Maybe a little bit lower. I think that's a good trade. Maybe a bit lower. Maybe like a 1-to-1. Actually, like this. This is probably pretty good. If it comes down here. But I like this. Yes, it is. Didn't you hear the news, Bane? Or you just opt in? It is news. This is completely news driven. Look at this news. Bane. The fuck is Bane even watching the fucking? No. Alright, I closed. It didn't hit exactly TP, but good enough. I closed here on this candle already. Boom. The entry was here actually. For this 16 pips, something. Alright, cool, done. Yeah, all good. Turkey bans gay marriage? Really? Are they really? Or are you just joking around? I was never allowed in the first place again. I closed early, yeah, but I'd rather close. I'm just scalping, man. It doesn't matter where I close. I mean, it does matter, but I'm looking for at least like a 1-to-1 RR. Of course, I mean, of course it matters because it could fuck up your win rate, but it was fine to close here, in my opinion. But it might actually run. I'm not even saying that it could not run, because this was a good entry again. And you could also look for this high if you're not scalping and put stops break even. But I'm just looking for scalps here. So yeah. I mean, ideally, I wouldn't have this problem anyways, and I would be sitting in a position down here because in the morning this was a very nice sweep reversal, right? So getting in here on the sweep with a stop below this low would have been best, and then you could just chill. I mean, what are you looking for? I would definitely close at least 80% here anyways, like around this high, where this struggled. So yeah, but looking on the 4 hour, and this is looking great. And yeah, I mean, the next target for me, there's really no more targets than here, this high. What you want to look for, right? Wait, Bane, you cannot use Discord anymore? Ah, okay, yeah. Oh, my butt corn position is already back in green. I kind of want to add ETH. My ETH position is bigger than my butt corn position. Holy shit. Ah, this is looking good now. This is how it should look when there's a new stump. Like, sweep this low, make everyone FOMO short, and then pump it. But yeah, it would be really nice if this 15 at least closes up here. You'll see. So far, so good. Still not very worried at all. All right, anyways, guys, I'm gonna go offline now. I'll be back tomorrow at 2 p.m. as promised on the thingy, you know. Oh, I also wanted to wait. Let me put this on the stream as quickly, so don't forget about it. Stop. Wait, so where do we put it? Let me see. There's actually, in this layout, there's no good place to put it. Right? Should I just put it here? I think I'm just gonna put it in the corner. Okay. Alright, anyways, guys, I'm gonna hop off now. And yeah, see you tomorrow, and hopefully with some more green PNL, and I'm hopefully not gonna put a fucking hole in my account here. But yeah, I'm still not very worried. Unless we completely dump on the stock market, which I don't really expect yet. So yeah.